Our next step is to install the G4C bracket, and this bracket goes over the G4B part. The G4B is notched to allow the G4A to fit inside of it so that we can keep the crossbrace on the outside of the gangway instead of the inside. And this is designed to replace the strength that we lost with that notch. So if your parts came pre-drilled, which our next batch of parts should, you can just install the brackets. If you have to drill your own holes, we have a separate video for that. Find the link in the instructions. So this, we're just going to put on our 4 bolts through our G4C. And put them through the holes in the G4B here. Put the nuts on the back side, and then we can tighten immediately once we have all the nuts on. Now the real key to look at here with the G4C, the only way you can put this on wrong if your parts are pre-drilled is if you put it on the wrong side. So you'll notice that the bracket is on top of the G4B. It's on top, so it's closer to the handrail than it is to the footrail. Do not install it on the underside of the angle. It belongs on top.